Hey, what's up? It's Privacy J here. A month ago, Apple announces the M5 MacBook Pro, the M5 Apple Vision Pro, and the M5 iPad Pro. So let's start off with the M5 MacBook Pro. So 14-inch base model, now supercharged by M5. Get the highlights. It used to be M4 and now it's changed and now moved to M5. So M5, M4 Pro, and M4 Max, one big powerful family. A powerful platform for artificial intelligence, smart to the core. Longest battery life ever in a Mac, up to 24 hours. Hit the road, macOS Tahoe. Stunning liquid glass design. Intuitive productivity tools and a reimagined spotlight. Live activities and the phone app. Stay in the touch without touching your phone. I mean, slouching it. Take a closer look. We have the sizes here. The 14-inch model is available with the M5, M4 Pro, or M4 Max chip, as I said earlier. The 16-inch model is available with the M4 Pro or M4 Max chip. The colors available, two stunning finishes. The MacBook Pro shown in space black and silver. Display. The brilliant liquid retina SDR display delivers up to 1600 nits peak HDR brightness and a 1 million column 1 contrast rate ratio for stunning visuals with true blacks and bright highlights. Connectivity. Every MacBook Pro comes with the 3 Thunderbolt 4 or 5 ports, an HDMI port, and the MagSafe 3 port, and the SDXC card slot, and the headphone jack. Connect the high-speed peripherals and drive multiple external displays. Camera. The 12 megapixel center stage camera keeps you in frame as you move around, and the desk view lets you share your workspace. The mic speaks. With the studio quality 3 microarray and the 6-speaker sound system that supports special audio and Dolby Atmos, the MacBook Pro brings you incredible audio to any space. Stream the Secret Life of Animals on Apple TV Plus with a subscription. Durability. Made with 100% recycled aluminum in the enclosure. The MacBook Pro is exceptionally well built and designed to last. All right, so let's get on with this. The M5 chip. Performance happily ever faster. The M5 chip joins the M4 Pro and M4 Max to create the most advanced series of chips ever built for a pro laptop. Each chip delivers phenomenal single and multi-threaded CPU performance and faster unified memory, and giving you the kind of speed you never thought possible. And with powerful neural accelerators in the M5 chip, you can fly through AI tasks at mind-bending speeds. They're up to 6 times faster AI performance than M1. A powerful neural accelerator is built into each GPU core of the M5 chip, which dramatically speeds up the AI tasks like image generation from diffusion models and large language model LLM prompt processing. The 16-core neural engine drives Apple Intelligence features, making on-device the AI powerful and energy efficient. Now you see, run graphics intensive workflows with responsiveness that keeps up with your imagination. And the M5 features a GPU with enhanced shader and cores and the 3rd generation ray tracing engine. So gaming feels more immersive and realistic, and dynamic caching optimized on chip memory to significantly increase GPU utilization, driving huge performance boost for pro and apps and games. 3 chips second to none. The M5 brings the next generation speed and powerful on-device AI to college students, business users, and aspiring creators. Available in 14 up to 6 times faster than M1. So let's get to it. Explore the family of chips. Yep. So the M5 14-inch MacBook Pro with M5 brings you the serious speed and advanced on-device AI to the personal, professional, and creative work you do every day effortlessly. The multitask across apps like Asana and Keynote breeze through memory intense projects such as editing high-resolution photos and videos. The M5 also powers AI features that boost your productivity, whether you want to summarize pages of lecture notes of create AI assistant that automate daily workflows for your business. The 10-core CPU, 10-core GPU, up to 32 gigabytes unified memory. The M5 compared to previous MacBook Pro models. So the 14-inch MacBook Pro with M4 and M5 6.4 times, 1.8 times, and 13-inch MacBook Pro with M1 baseline. The AI video processing is 7.7 times, 4.3 times, and 13-inch MacBook Pro with M1 baseline. So faster time to first token performance. Faster AI video enhancing performance in top pass video. 3D rendering, AI video processing, LLM prompt processing, faster render performance with ray tracing in 6.8 times, 3.9 AI audio enhance 4.1 times, 1.4 times faster AI speech enhancement in Adobe Premiere Pro. So faster gaming performance in Cyberpunk 2077 Ultimate 2.6 times, 1.8 times. Code compiling the faster project build performance in Xcode 2.1 times, 1.7 times. So yeah. Excuse me. The M4 Pro, it still says, for those who need more power, M4 Pro speeds up everything from database design and data modeling to DNA sequencing, whether you choose the 14 or 16-inch model. The M4 Pro with M4 Pro, the 16-inch model MacBook Pro with M4 Pro handles demanding workflows with ease and delivers graphics performance that makes 3D rendering and animation faster. Up to 14-core CPU, up to 20-core GPU, up to 48 gigabytes unified memory. So it says here, the 14-inch MacBook Pro with M4 Pro, M3 Pro, and M1 Pro, 33.9 times, 24.9 times, 10.3 times. So that's 3D rendering, faster render performance in Redshift. Faster video retiming performance in Top-S Video AI, 33.3 times, 23.1 times, 19.5 times. DNA sequencing. Faster base calling performance in Oxford Nanopore Minno, 29.9 times, 23.4 times, 16.8 times. Gaming. Faster gaming performance in World of Warcraft The War Within, 16.7 times, 13.0 times, 8.5 times. Scientific analysis. Faster simulation of dynamical systems in MATLAB, 8.1 times, 5.4 times, 4.2 times. And faster project build performance in Xcode, 6.5 times, 4.4 times, 3.8 times. Photo editing, faster neural filter and function performance in Adobe for Photoshop. 3.2 times, 2.9 times, 3.3 times. And 60 model. So start with the 3D rendering. 16-inch with M1, M3, M4 Pro, the one that I have I'm using. 4.4 times, 4.0 times, 3.0 times, 12.2 times. Redshift. That's the render performance, video retiming. It says 21.0 times, 14.8 times, 12.3 times, 23.8 times, 18.6 times, 13.4 times, 2.4 times, 8.8 times, 12.2 times, 5.0 times, 3.2 times, 2.3 times, 3.8 times, 2.6 times, 2.1 times. And photo editing, finally, so it says over here, 3.7 times, 3.3 times, and 2.4 times. All right. The M4 Pro delivers even more power for scientists, engineers, software developers, and creative pros tackling intensive projects. Available in 14 and 16-inch, up to three times faster than M1 Pro and M4 Max, our most advanced chip ever built for a pro laptop. The M4 Max is perfect for 3D verified VF times, VFX, sound effects, 3D effects artists, the AI developers, and film composers. Available in 14 and 16-inch, up to 3.5 times faster than M1 Max. AI built for AI from the silicon up. The Apple Silicon and every major subsystem that powers it is designed for AI, creating a platform that comprehensively unites hardware, software, and ecosystem so you can run demanding on device the AI workloads with incredible power efficiency. Always knowing that security and privacy and are designed in, not just bolted on. The AI apps on Mac born to run. Mac is optimized to handle the world's most advanced AI apps, run image generation apps like Diffusion B, LLM apps like MSTY Studio and LM Studio, and video enhancement enhancement apps like Topaz Video. The AI tools in apps makes magic, make the Mac makes magic. Transform vocals with AI plugin like Mic Drop for Logic Pro, and make complex image modifications in seconds with generative fill in Adobe Photoshop. The Apple Intelligent tasking you shall receive. The Apple Intelligent that helps you write, express yourself, and get things done effortlessly. Turn a quick note into a polished announcement. Remove distractions from photos with cleanup. Create unique images with new ChatGPT styles in Image Playground. And use intelligent actions in the Shortcuts app to create automations, like comparing an audio transcription to type notes and extracting information from a PDF. The Apple Intelligent is AI for you and I. See, the great powers comes with great privacy. Battery all day battery life. Think outside the outlet. As you can see, the MacBook Pro has the longest battery life ever in a Mac, and up to 24 hours, and supports fast charge, allowing it to charge up to 50% in just 30 minutes. All models provide the same performance whether you're plugged in or not, so you can spend more time thinking an outlet for your passion, not your laptop. Up to 24 hours battery life, up to 40 more hours than Intel-based MacBook Pro. The Mac OS Tahoe Fresh face timelessly Mac. So as you can see, and I can tell, the Mac OS Tahoe introduced liquid glass, a refined yet familiar look. With new ways to boost your productivity. Work seamlessly with iPhone and get even more from Apple Intelligence is the most beautiful and powerful vision of macOS yet. Liquid glass, clearly inspired, a stunning new design makes the display feel even larger and unlocks more ways to personalize your experience. Take your icons from light to dark or choose an alluring clear look. The spotlight helps you act fast. Perform hundreds of actions in Spotlight, from sending a message to taking down a note without lifting your hands off the keyboard. Live translation speaks your language, automatically translate text in messages, display live translated captions in FaceTime, and get spoken translations for calls in the phone app. Run shortcuts automatically. Boost your productivity by automatically running shortcuts at a certain time of a day or when you take specific actions like organizing images based on their content. A Mac and iPhone, even better together. The Mac and iPhone are incredible on their own, but when you use them together, they work wonders. Thanks to continuity, you can move seamlessly across device to share files and photos, hand off tasks, and even control your iPhone from your Mac. And iPhone mirroring, that's why I saw the iPhone. Mel reads, uh, see and use your iPhone from your Mac with iPhone mirroring. Even if you're charging your phone in another room, you can still access all your favorite apps. Live activities from your iPhone now appear on your Mac, like when your Uber Eats order is about to arrive, so you don't have to reach for your phone to stay in the know. Universal clipboard. Copy image, video, or text from an app on your iPhone or iPad, then paste into another app on your nearby Mac or vice versa. No extra steps. That is that easy. That's this one. Yep. And phone app. Make and take calls right from your Mac. And access recent contacts and voicemail. You'll never miss a call, even if your iPhone is buried deep in your backpack. Hand off. Start an email on your iPhone and finish it on your Mac. With handoff, you can seamlessly pass what you're doing from iPhone to Mac or from Mac to iPhone and the mail. So yeah. Now, apps, your ambitions. There's an app for that. Tens of thousands of apps are optimized for Apple Silicon, from your go-to productivity apps to your favorite games and hardest working pro apps. With the MacBook Pro, they all soar. Adobe Lightroom. So we'll start with that. Hard large image files, no sweat. Edit and retouch photos whether in the studio or on location. Adobe Photoshop, Capture One, Pixelmator Pro, Top Pass Photos, DxO, Photolab 9, and more. Coding. Get with the program, run virtual machines, and develop code across the stack. Same time with predictive code completion in Xcode, Xcode Unity, CreateML, TensorFlow, PyTorch, NAG, Fortran compiler, Docker, IntelliJ IDEA, and more. STEM. Make your Mac your lab partner. Run complex simulations or DNA sequencing or analyze large data sets in any STEM environment. MATLAB, Autodesk, AutoCAD, and NASA True USS Oxford Nanopore, Min No, Story X, MD Shaper at 3D, Surgical AR, Vectorworks, Archicad, and more. Business. Multitask like a boss. Create documents and presentations and collaborate across the apps and videos, conferences, and do it all at once. The Microsoft 365 Copilot, Slack, Zoom, Keynote, Omni Productivity Suite, and more. Graphic design. Find your type. Take on illustrations, front creation, visual editing, interactive design, and motion graphics with absolute ease. Adobe InDesign, Sketch, Line RD, Curve, Adobe Illustrator, Figma, and more. 3D animation and design. Bring your imagination to life. Build in intricate texturing in 3D artwork. Create complex animations and render high-resolution scenes. Blender, Maxon, Cinema 4D, Maxon Redshift, Autodesk Maya, Adobe Substance Painter, Houdini, and more. Produce the whole album. Compose, record, and mix across thousands of tracks with hundreds of plugins in real time. Logic Pro, Pro Tools, Ableton Live, Cubase, Adobe Aud- Aud- Audition, FL Studio, Main Stage, and more. And video editing, craft stories worth telling. Fly through 4K and 8K footage and tackle motion graphics and compositing with super fast render times. DaVinci Resolve Studio, Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro Motion, Adobe After Effects Nuke, Autodesk Flame, and more. Gaming, play favorites, enjoy immersive gaming thanks to the exceptional graphics capability, gorgeous XDR display, and 6-speaker sound system with special audio. Turn on the game mode for smoother frame rates. Assassin Creed Shadows, Control Ultimate Edition, Frostpunk 2, World of Warcraft, Sid Meier's Civilization 7, and more. That's Cyberpunk's 2077 Ultimate. Okay, display, let there be the light. Up to 1600 nits peak HDR brightness, 1000 nits sustained HDR brightness, 1 million column 1 contrast radio, down to 1 nit brightness in dark environments, up to 1000 nits SDR brightness outdoors, 1 million colors. See? Go from the sunniest terrace to the darkest studio with more ease than ever. The eye-popping liquid XDR display offers up to 1600 nits peak HDR brightness, and it provides up to 1000 nits of brightness for SDR content and bright light, so you can see what's on your screen more clearly outside. In low light situations, it dims to 1 nit so you can work comfortably in darker space. Nano texture display, fewer reflections, more clarity for those who work in particularly bright spaces. Whether inside or out, the nano texture option reduces reflections to illuminate distractions while maintaining an excellent viewing experience. Exceptional contrast with extreme dynamic range. The MacBook Pro can maintain extreme brightness for HDR content, delivering outstanding contrast between the brightest brights and the blackest blacks. ProMotion, a smooth operator. ProMotion makes everything from scrolling to gaming super fluid and responsive, automatically adjusting to match the movement of content with refresh rates up to 120 Hz. Video editors can even choose a fixed refresh rate that precisely aligns with footage. Multiple displays, why limit yourself to one? If a project calls for a larger canvas, you can connect up to 2 displays with M5 and M4 Pro, or up to 4 displays with M4 Max. The Brilliant Studio display pairs beautiful with the MacBook Pro, and its 27-inch 5K display makes all your work look stunning. Trello, Quip, and Mail. And finally, camera, the ultimate show and tell. The 12 megapixel center stage camera that helps you look sharp in any light, just like the M4 Pro MacBook Pro that I'm using, just like the M3 and M2. Not the other one. Together with the advanced mics and speakers, it lets you take charge of the meeting from afar. The center stage. Let's start with that. The center stage that keeps you in frame durable during video calls, even as you move around or when more humans join your frame. Desk view. Desk view lets you share your workspace, adding a whole new dimension to make your video calls more engaging. And yeah, let's stop right there. So anyways, that's gonna be it for today's stream about the M5 MacBook Pro. So keep in mind for that. I'll be back for the premiere video about any hip hop events, about what was said about the for DJ Kendo for a live event from Uncle Ralph McDaniels, and I'll be back tomorrow for the channel announcement because I'm gonna make a short video. So keep in mind and stay tuned for that. So yeah. So like and comment, subscribe, and let me know about it. So we're gonna subscribe to my 3 channels: Privacy J Productions 1, 2, and 3, and my content. All of my social medias will let you know about it. Facebook, my name is Jaden Garcia. Instagram is JTech727. Snapchat is Scoot 0727. Follow me on X, Privacy J NYC1. So thanks for watching and peace out.